So how can we use Pulid? Well, we can use it locally if we save it on our computer, but let me show you how to use the tool, okay? For this, I'm on Hindface using the Pulid demo. Basically, how does it work? They give us some tips here. It says, we give you examples, try the sample prompts first. Usually it tells us one image is enough, but we can also use auxiliary images. They offer two models, fidelity mode and extremely stylistic mode. In most cases, the fidelity model should be sufficient, but if you find the generated results lack style, you can choose the extreme style option. So here's where we'd put the image, okay, of the person whose character we want to maintain. You know what this tool is about, right? It's for keeping the same face or person or character in different situations. For example, taking this girl and turning her into a chef while keeping her face the same. So in this case, we'd put the prompt here, okay? That's where we specify what we want and how we want it. Here, for instance, they say they want it in portrait mode, right? That would be the aspect ratio, first of all, okay? It's the image format. They want it in cinematic style with wolf ears and white hair. And here they've added the negative prompt, see? Well, they don't want hair on the face. No deformities, no low resolution, got it? The negative prompt is for things we don't want to appear, okay? Then we have the CFG, which they recommend setting between 1 and 1.5 comma, alright? I understand this is based on image quality. We have samples set to 4, the seed stays similar, and the steps, right? The steps are how many iterations the AI tool uses to generate the image. More steps don't necessarily mean better results, okay? But it will take longer. I say results might not improve because, for example, if you ask for a girl with a chef's hat without proper negative prompts, more steps won't fix an incorrect image. It'll just keep improving the quality of a flawed image, got it? So steps enhance visual quality, not logic, understand? Then we have height and width. Okay, in this case it's 1024x. We have the scale ID, right? And here we have the mode, okay? Remember what we were told earlier about fidelity mode or extremely stylistic? I've tried to generate several times, but it's giving me an error. Anyway, if it worked, I'd show you some of the results. So that's it. This is the tool, and I hope you found it interesting. Also, it seems we have Pulid Flux in Flux AI, okay? It looks like we can use it, right? I'm not sure if we need to log in. Yes, we do need to log in. I'll try it. Oh, look, it's letting me in. Here they show before and after examples. I've asked it to put a chef's hat on this girl. I'll generate it and see how long it takes. Should take about 5 seconds. But it seems it's ignored my request. Kept the girl the same, that's for sure. But I don't get why it changed the style. Maybe it's the advanced settings. Well, perhaps I should be more specific, right? But if here, we need to specify to keep the image style, I guess. I'm not going to bother with it now. So yeah, we can generate images.